In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your iCloud Keychain passwords on your iPhone or iPad, a crucial skill for securely managing your digital life. Having quick and easy access to your passwords can save time and enhance security, especially since we need to remember so many. So whether it's for email, social media or any other accounts, let's jump right in. First, to get started, unlock your iPhone or iPad and navigate to the home screen. Once there, you'll want to find and tap on the settings icon. It looks like a little grey gear and usually resides on the first page of your apps, or you can access it through the search bar by swiping down and typing settings. Once you are in the settings menu, look at the top of the screen and you'll see your name displayed prominently. Go ahead and tap on your name. This action takes you into your Apple ID settings, which houses all your personal iCloud data and preferences. Within this section, you'll next want to select iCloud. Tapping iCloud will present a list of all the services you can store and sync across devices using your iCloud storage. One of these services is Keychain, which is what securely stores your passwords, credit card information, and other secure data. At this point, find and select Keychain. Here's a critical step. Ensure that the Keychain switch is turned on, displayed by a green toggle. If it's not turned on, you won't be able to use the feature for storing and retrieving passwords on your device. If it's off, simply tap the toggle to enable it. With iCloud Keychain active, let's proceed to view your saved passwords. You'll want to return to the main settings menu. You could actually just keep tapping back until you reach the initial settings screen, or more straightforwardly, you can tap settings from the top left of the screen. Now back at the main settings interface, scroll down a little bit and find the option labelled passwords. Tapping this will prompt you to authenticate your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This additional security step ensures that only you can access this sensitive information. Once authenticated, you'll have access to all your saved passwords, nicely organized and ready for you to browse. Here you can scroll through, tapping on any particular entry if you need to view or share the login information for an account. This convenient access can help you in managing and keeping track of your digital credentials effortlessly. And there you have it. With just a few taps, you can confidently access all your saved passwords through iCloud Keychain on your iPhone or iPad. Remember, keeping your keychain turned on and secured with a strong Apple ID password is crucial for protecting your information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made digital life a little bit more manageable for you.